Take multiple lists into dataframe. How do I take multiple lists and put them as different columns in a Python dataframe? I tried this solution but had some trouble. Attempt 1. Have 3 lists, and zip them together and use that, res equals zip lsd1, lsd2, lsd3, yields just one column. Attempt 2. Yields either one row by 3 columns, the way above, or if I transpose it as 3 rows in one column. How do I get a 100 row, length of each independent list, by 3 column, 3 lists, pandas dataframe?
I think you're almost there. Try removing the extra square brackets around the LSDs. Also, you don't need to specify the column names when you're creating a data frame from a diff like this. If you need a more performant solution, you can use np.column_stack rather than zip as in your first attempt. This has around a 2x speedup on the example here, however comes at a bit of a cost of readability in my opinion.
Adding to Aditya Guru's answer here. There is no need of using map. You can do it simply by. This will set the columns names as 0, 1, 2. To set your own column names, you can pass the keyword argument columns to the method above.
Adding one more scalable solution.